All right, so I really enjoy these. These are basically the NeilMed, like the salt packets, but they have Xylitol in them. This is said to be an all-natural antibacterial. Now, when I use this, either if you're sick or you're trying not to get sick or you're around a lot of people that are sick, I talked to my ENT about these. I thought this maybe was gimmicky. I said, hey, what do you think of these packets? And she was like, oh, we love them. They're just a little expensive, so we usually don't recommend them. But if you have them and you want to use them, she said you should definitely use them. They're definitely good. Now, they're a lot more comfortable. It's a lot more volume when you pour it in there. It's a lot more than in those little salt packets, but you have to shake it up a little bit more than you would the normal salt. But when you put it through your nose, I do this twice a day. It feels good, and I don't notice any difference. Well, I do notice that it's a little less harsh than the salt, even though the salt's fine, but I notice that this is a little less harsh. It's a little bit more, I don't know, smoother, I guess. But if you're thinking about trying these, I definitely would recommend it. I've had these on hand for years, and I would only use them like if I got sick. But I think it's good if you do use a neti pot, you have sinus issues and stuff like that. Definitely, maybe want to try these out. I think they're good, and when I talked to my ENT and she said, oh yeah, you want to try them out, that really kind of sold it for me. So I use them a lot more, yeah, especially during the winter time when everyone's sick. So yeah, check them out.